Meet Bobby Finch, architecture student and the future of our country, who sometimes needs a reminder to study.
I can hear you. Besides, it's just Architecture History 101.
It's not just history, Bobby.
Come on! Firmness, commodity, and delight. What's that even mean?
Well, it's just an older way of saying quality, cost, and design.
Whatever. I can't be focused on history. I design for the future.
Okay.
Ow! What's your problem? Whoa. It's perfect. I mean, if you're Greek, that is.
Well, actually, it is perfectly imperfect. There isn't a single right angle in the entire building. During the Parthenon's design, master builder Phidias was tasked with a big problem. When two horizontal lines intersect with lines that converge, the first lines begin to appear bowed and curved. This trick of the eye jeopardized his project. His innovative design solved the problem, and he delivered exactly what his client asked for, and it has stood the test of time. This is more than a temple, Master Phidias. It should be the crowning glory of Athens. She must be perfect.
Looks expensive.
Pericles was questioned about the cost to build the Acropolis, so he posted the exact amounts in public. It was the first example of open book pricing. So there you have it. Vitruvius said it best. Building well has three conditions: quality, cost, and design.
Okay, I get it. Quality.
How well it's built.
And cost.
Yes, time and money.
And design.
You've got it!
Yeah, it's actually real familiar.
This is the model of accountability for the master builder. And the Romans and Greeks weren't the only ones who followed it. From ancient Egypt to Babylon to the Renaissance, every major building project utilized the master builder model. That is, until the 15th century.
What happened in the 15th century?
I happened.
Huh?
I am Leon Battista Alberti, architect of the Renaissance. You see, I loved...
Hey, we studied this in school.
I love design, and I felt I shouldn't be held accountable for the completed work. I just wanted to define the architect as a profession. I didn't intend to change the quality of the end result.
Well, you've made a mistake.
Yes, I know.
No, I mean, you weren't to blame. I'll show you. 1750s London.
What happened to design?
If there is any blame, this is it. The Industrial Revolution, inventions, advancements, whole new industries. It touched every person, every business, and it removed the master builder from sole responsibility. For 5,000 years, structures were designed and built to honor the dead, celebrate kings, worship deities, and show off wealth. But the Industrial Revolution changed all that. The building industry was not focused on the building itself, but keeping up. So instead of the master builder, the owner dealt with many roles and contractors, and the only fair way to decide who got the work was price.
So price ruled?
You got it. The building industry had to have rules for competing. The plan was defined, and they'd compete based on low price. After all, the plan was the same. It was just about following specifications. And that was the birth of Plan Spec.
And the master builder gone.
They went out of style for a time, but they never went away. Nowadays, building owners face complex challenges. Sure, the Parthenon was brilliant, but it didn't need to be energy efficient or have a great environment, did it? Now we need a real team to solve bigger problems. Today, a design builder ensures that everyone collaborates and takes responsibility, so the building works as a whole.
Design builder.
Yeah! These days, we call master builders design builders. And in less than 20 years, it has surpassed the traditional way. The industry is even endorsing it. So you see, it wasn't your fault.
It wasn't my fault.
Nope.
So, you might say, Bobby, that, well, sometimes we have to look backward to look forward.
Yeah, I guess you were right, Leon. I should be studying tonight.
Yes, and I should be design building something.
Nice. See ya, Leon.
See ya, Bobby.